I met Chung,
Wow.
and I obviously have seen her
Yeah.
journey on Big Boss, and I would like support her and vote for her, and she's just such a phenomenal actor. And I think she'll be a lot more celebrated because she's an actor. You know, she is really. If people, I hope people go back and see how phenomenal she was in the film. Arjun is somebody whose comic timing in real life is unmatched.
But also with very straight face, huh?
With a straight face. So if you understand that kind of comedy, then एक minute आप बिना हंसे नहीं रह पाओगे. You know, actually, Baby Number One, I love it. But you know, a film that I deeply love, it's not a comedy, but it's Kal Ho Na Ho. I laugh so much in the film. I find it so funny. It's
A couple of years ago when the lady killer abruptly released.
Yeah, you know, that is one thing. Yeah, you know, the thing is that as actors, you don't really have control over what happens with it.
That's true. Hi, my name is Monica and today we are here with Bhumi Pednekar. But first and foremost, congratulations on 3 years of Badhai Do.
Thank you.
I don't know how many people wished you, but I saw a couple of pictures recently that you all celebrated together.
We did.
And I think you all watched the movie also?
Yeah, I mean, we watched like
Rushes
our director's favorite scenes, which is pretty much the entire
Yeah.
film. But
Yeah.
yes,
you
it
must
was
have
really
met Chum
lovely.
after a very long time also.
After the release,
Yeah.
I met Chung.
Wow.
And I obviously have seen her
Yeah.
journey on Big Boss, and I would like support her and vote for her. And she's just such a phenomenal actor. And I think she'll be a lot more celebrated because she's an actor. You know, she is really. If people, I hope people go back and see how phenomenal she was in the film.
Because I keep seeing edits there are so many fan pages and edits
I'm
of
sure.
this for years now. So there's so much celebration. Coming to this movie, did you ever know about retrograde amnesia before?
मतलब मैंने बड़े होते हुए हमारे पिक्चरों में होता था 90s में
हाँ,
डॉक्टर
हाँ,
साहब कहते हैं इनकी याददाश्त चली गई है बट आई डिड नॉट नो वो याददाश्त चली गई इज कॉल्ड रेट्रोग्रेड एमनीजिया एंड आई दैट यू नो द मोमेंट आई रेड दैट सीन मैंने कहा मैं तो ये पिक्चर कर रही हूँ मैंने कहा इट्स सो रिफ्रेशिंग टू सी अ फिल्म ऑफ दिस टोन. You know, it kind of takes you back into David's school of films.
Oh, I love
I know. And that's the energy that the film has. You know, they fully like channelized Baby Number One, Sajan Chale Sasural, and growing up, I was the biggest Karishma Kapoor fan. Like, you know, I literally had that red dress, जो वो राजा हिंदुस्तानी में उनकी थी ना, red dress with the cap. I literally had that and I was very young. I think I was 4 or whatever, something. And मेरे birthday के लिए I fought. I said, no, I want it. And my mom's like, when you did all of these tactics, now we were like, okay, now it makes sense why you're an actor. But honestly, from all of us in the most humblest way, because we all are such fans of that genre. We're such big fans of David sir, Govinda sir, Karishma ma'am, Ravina ma'am, everybody that was a part of his universe. This is like a little ode to it, and I love the film.
So what, because you had worked with Mudassar before, like what is it coming back for the second time? And also you little bit had a cameo in Khel Khel Mein.
Yeah, I get very excited that people recognize my voice. But look, honestly, Arjun is one of the most self-assured people that I know. He's so secure. And he is so funny and he's so witty. Like I'm telling you, I'm really missing Rakul and Arjun right now because we've just had such a good experience shooting this film, right? We were all friends working together and in a comedy film. And Arjun is somebody whose comic timing in real life is unmatched.
But also with very straight face, huh?
With a straight face. So if you understand that kind of comedy, then एक minute आप बिना हंसे नहीं रह पाओगे. Because he's so funny and he's an encyclopedia of like movies and he's also a very kind person. So I think kudos to him to like, you know, do this part and do it so well. And he's just he's a rock, you know, like even when we are promoting, he will always like make sure Rakul and I are okay. He will always make sure, okay, is the security okay at this place? Are these two going to be okay? And it's not his job to do these things. But he's doing these things. And I've not always had these experiences where I've had co-stars really look out for you like this. So, I mean, he's amazing. And that's why I feel the trailer also lands so well because we all have taken that joke, right? We've taken like jokes upon ourselves because that was also the spirit of the film.
Yeah.
You know, in the film, our characters are such. Like Rakul and I are constantly going one up against each other. So, जो Rakul का character है Antara Khanna, she's a South Delhi girl who believes in live and let live. That in a relationship, you can't really impose. You need to have freedom, etc., etc. My character is the exact opposite. Prableen, she's from Amritsar and she's like, koi freedom nahi. You know, you have to live and let live ke chakkar mein, you might go and live with somebody else. You know, but one common thing between both the characters is that they both have agency. They both are independent, they are ambitious, and they are kind characters, you know. So even when these two girls are going up against each other, and I mean there's physical comedy, ठीक है, मतलब हम बहुत अतरंगी चीजें कराई है मुदस्सर सर ने हमसे, और ये इन एक्टिविटीज में इतना कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है when her and I are going up against each other, क्या families also get involved, अर्जुन तो पिस ही रहा है हमारे बीच में, it's chaos. But at the core of this chaos is actually a beautiful comment on how human relationships can be complicated.
Right.
You know, there's no right or wrong. Most times, I would say, obviously, unless like, you know, it is something very, very intense. You know, I'm not commenting on those relationships. But kai baar you outgrow a relationship. You know, and my point of view might also be right and yours might also be right. Or two people are not always meant to be good for each other. You know, it's such a good comment with so much comedy that...
Didn't you audition Arjun for Ishaqzaade?
Oh my God. So I was a part of the process.
You were one of the people
who
knew
part,
about it.
Yeah, I was a part of the process, but I actually cast for Ishaqzaade. So everybody else in the film, like I cast for. And it was one of my first films that I completely did like the entire cast. And I think that's why I have a very, like Arjun will always have a special place in my life, right? Because he was like one of the first films that I cast for. He's been very good to me since then.
That's true.
You know, I have to say, because I have been an assistant. I was an assistant for many years of his journey as a star. I did not see his behavior change. You know, like he would always come meet us, acknowledge us, like, you know, come have coffee with us. And I think those are like great traits of just somebody who even after success is humble.
Couple of years ago when The Lady Killer abruptly released, and how fickle the industry in general is, the fact that, did you two have a conversation on this set that something you all worked on that felt like something could be different about this project? It didn't do something.
Yeah, you know, that is one thing. Yeah, you know, the thing is that as actors, you don't really have control over what happens with the film.
That's true.
Right? There's only that much you can do. What we can do is really do our best, perform well. And it's a film that it had a very special place in my heart, because it was just that film that required a lot out of us as actors. You know, but life is very long. There'll be many such opportunities. And you can't really... You can only control things that you have real control over. But what came out of that is this film.
It's so surprising that you don't get actors immediately working with each other.
I know.
It doesn't, you know
It's
what, there was a
crazy.
time where actors would work together because ye pairing chal gayi hai, so it's constantly working. But you don't see, it's constantly a new pairing or like fresh cast, or I don't see that happening.
Yeah, मुझे लगता है वो किस्मत की बात थी, that right after that this is what we were shooting, and this is just... I mean, there's nothing bigger than destiny, I guess.
I absolutely understand that. But I feel like over the years, in a year, if you have 2 releases or like a 1 release in the last couple of years, it's always balanced between genres. Like if you could do a hard hitting, it can be a comedy. I was speaking to Baman sir recently, and he said something. अगर मैं मास भी कर रहा हूँ ना, तो उसमें भी एक ऑडियंस है जो देख रही है. But one thing I do is for my soul.
Yeah, I also believe in it. There are certain films that I do for my soul. Actually, I do all films for my soul, you know, because see, for men also the parts that are written are always a lot larger, even in commercial films, right? In commercial films, most times, of course there are anomalies, women don't have like fleshed out parts as such. And I've tried doing those parts, but I personally don't enjoy them as much. But to each their own, right? So for me, I've always done films for this joy, because
something that clicks with you.
100%. But there are some films that I know might not have like a large appeal. but I still go. Like for example, when I did Bhaksha.
Oh, I love the
right?
film. I love that film.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the film was so well received, but I wasn't sure if it'll get this kind of a large audience, right? It really did incredible numbers for the platform. And then I was like, oh, okay. See, the thing is, you can't really predict audience behavior. You know, it's especially this weekend is my most favorite example of it. You can't really predict audience behavior. So all you can do is कि you do your best, you give, because audience is king, उनसे बड़ा कोई नहीं है. ठीक है, अगर आपने मुझे इसमें accept नहीं किया, मैं फिर से कोशिश करूँगी कि मैं आपकी acceptance लाऊँ. मैं फिर से मैं करती रहूँगी कोशिश. आप बस मुझे मौके देते रहो.
True. Because now that you talk about it, it's so unpredictable because re-releases are working so well. It's any of your next to next week you're completing 10 years in the industry.
Yes.
Do you think that?
I mean, I'm not a producer on any of those films, but I would love, like, maybe if a Dum Laga Ke Haisha re-releases, I don't know. Like, I would love for a Badhai Do to re-release. You know, I think that's a film that should re-release because it's so lovely and it's just so lovely. Dum Laga Ke Haisha. I mean, I don't know.
10 years.
I know, it's crazy. You know, the thing is that because I'm living my dream and that 12-year-old girl who prayed every day कि भगवान please मुझे picture दिला दो बहुत बुरी तरह, and I'm really, I think till date I'm just praying कि भगवान ये मुझसे मत लेना, because I love this so deeply. I love being an actor so much, and I'm very fortunate that even after 10 years I get to do what I love. So just with my head bent down, I just with humility, I just want to embrace all the love that's come my way, and I just want to thank everybody that helped me through this journey.
Yeah, I completely understand. But I want to ask you, what would you do if you got trapped in an elevator with your ex-pyar and your current Dildar at the same time?
I wish तब मुझे retrograde amnesia हो जाए. I don't want to remember either of them.
Oh my God. Who had the hardest time keeping a straight face during a funny scene in this film?
I think we all had our moments. It's too funny. The film is too funny. And also, like, because we are friends and we know each other, and there are certain scenes where you're like, oh my God, this is so not natural for her to do. And it's just funny.
Yeah. Your character forgets a crucial part of a past, which leads to like all of this chaos. Ekdam Kalesh ki life ho gayi hai. Kalesh. So if you woke up one day and you forgot about a movie you worked on.
You want to know the movie's name? That I'm not
Which
doing.
one would you like to re-experience for the first time?
Oh, a film I would want to re-experience. My God, that's a very loaded question. But I think Sant Ki Aankh, I love that.
You know?
I love it. It's
that was a character that felt like you probably gave your heart and soul to it.
100%. I love that film. I love it. I would want to go through that experience all over again.
I completely understand. A Bollywood comedy classic that never fails to make you laugh.
You know, actually, BV number 1, I love it. But you know, a film that I deeply love, it's not a comedy, but it's Kal Ho Na Ho. I laugh so much in the film. I find it so funny. And I cry a lot.
I watched it theater mein re-release hui thi, and it just felt like
it's one of my most favorite films.
Yeah, it's so heartbreaking to watch towards the end, but fun movie through and through. If like
actually Hera Pheri. हुआ ही नहीं है वैसा उसके बाद.
If you could steal a comedy role or from any of the films in the history, which one that would be?
I would want to be a part of Andaz Apna Apna.
It's re-releasing in April.
I know. I would love being a part of Andaz Apna Apna.
Oh my God. I would love to be in one of those Kader Khan films where Dole
Raja,
where I'm just like a sidekick to Kader Khan. All the best for the movie, and I hope it does really well. Thank you so much. Lovely meeting you.